They don't scream. They don't beg. They just disappear. And somehow, you never recover. Some zodiac signs don't need drama to leave an impact. Their silence is sharper than any words. And when they're done with you, you feel it in your bones. These are the signs that destroy you quietly. No warning, no mercy, no noise. Let's begin. Number 3, Cancer, the emotional executioner. Cancer won't yell. They won't fight. They'll just stop showing up in the way that mattered. At first, you'll think everything's fine. Their smile's still soft, their voice still calm. But behind it, walls. Thick, tall, and permanent. When you hurt a Cancer deeply, they don't break. They build walls. And when they're done, you won't see it coming. You'll just feel the cold. Number 2, Virgo, the precision cutter. Virgo doesn't do emotional explosions. They do surgical extractions. They'll analyze everything, every word, every lie, every crack. And once they've seen enough, they'll make one clean cut. No explanation, no closure, just gone. And what hurts most? They won't look back. They won't miss you. They'll move forward with terrifying calm, as if you were never part of the equation. Number 1, Scorpio, the master of quiet destruction. Scorpio doesn't forget, and they never forgive quietly. They'll smile, wait, let time pass, and while you think it's over, they're still working through it, strategically. You won't know what's coming. You'll just feel the shift, the withdrawal, the weight of something unspoken. And when it hits, you'll realize they were never done with you. They were just silent. So, did your sign make the list, or did someone's silence leave you broken? If this video hit too close to home, like, subscribe, and stay close. And hey, check the description below. There are 2 free gifts waiting for you. Until next time, watch the quiet ones.